Hey, what's up guys? So we're going to be taking a look at this super nice propagation station. And so this station is going to be by Garden Republic. Now, first of all, I do want to mention how it's really exceeded my expectations, mainly because of the super sleek look. And then you really can't beat the price point. So the base itself is super light. It almost feels like hollow wood, but the lightweight feel on the wood I think is a good thing, especially because this is a product that you can hang on the wall. And so you really don't want any extra weight that really isn't needed. Here on the side, it is branded with the Garden Republic logo, which I actually appreciate how they included it, because if you look for it, you'll definitely find it. But as you can see, if you're really not looking for it, then it just blends into the wood, which I think is super nice because it prevents from any unnecessary distractions, and it allows for you to actually focus on the main feature, which is going to be the glass. Now, installation was super simple. All we had is this metal rod, which you just pretty much insert into the wood. You're going to do it on both sides. And then the only thing that's holding it in place is going to be these rubber rings, which you're going to adjust so that it's even on both sides. And then once you have both rubber rings, you just install this rubber protector and then you're all set. So one thing that I do want to mention is that this glass is super thin. It really does feel a little fragile. And so I would just be cautious when handling them. All you're going to do is just slide them in and then just set them down. So when it comes to this propagation station, the main thing is that you have options. So like I said earlier, you can just simply mount these onto the wall and then you have a super nice decorative piece. But then if you want, you could just set this on a table, set it next to your plant station, next to a window. And so that versatility is what really makes this station stand out. Overall, I really do think it's a great product and I definitely recommend it for any plant lovers.